हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का वेलकम है पीएस क्लासेस में। आज मैं सीटेट सीडीपी टेस्ट सीरीज सेकंड लेकर के प्रेजेंट हुआ हूं जो कि इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इंग्लिश पेडागॉजी। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड एंड स्टूडेंट, अगर आप पहली बार मेरे चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हैं तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप हमारे पुराने व्यूअर हैं तो एक लाइक कर दीजिएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं देर न करते हुए। आज के पहले क्वेश्चन को लेते हैं। ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहा, एन इफेक्टिव लेसन फॉर टीचिंग अ लैंग्वेज बिगिन विथ ए presenting the content of the lesson, B recapitulation and motivation through fun activities, and C writing on the blackboard, and D listening the learning objective of the lesson। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, इसे समझें क्या पूछा जा रहा है। एन इफेक्टिव माने एक प्रभावित, लेसन माने पाठ। एक प्रभावित पाठ के लिए टीचिंग अ लैंग्वेज, जो भाषा की टीचिंग होती है वो बेगिन विथ होती है, किससे प्रारंभ की जाती है। तो इसमें जो सबसे बेस्ट हमारा ऑप्शन आ रहा है ए है प्रेजेंटिंग द कंटेंट ऑफ द लेसन। प्रेजेंटिंग द कंटेंट ऑफ द लेसन। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। स्कूल नीड टू बिकम सेंटर्स दैट प्रिपेयर चिल्ड्रेन फॉर लाइफ एंड इंश्योर दैट ऑल चिल्ड्रेन, स्पेशली द डिफरेंटली एबल्ड चिल्ड्रेन फ्रॉम marginalized section and children in the difficult circumstances get the maximum benefit of this critical area of education. This observation found in the National Curriculum Framework 2005 in related to। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, ये रहा क्वेश्चन। इसको अंडरस्टैंड करें। अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद बताएं कि किस ऑप्शन की तरफ हम चलें। थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन को मैं यहाँ पर कुछ समय के लिए पॉज किया हूँ, देख लें। School need to become centers that prepare children for life and ensure that all children, especially the differently abled, ये है आपका क्वेश्चन। ए कंस्ट्रक्टिव, ए हमारा जो ऑप्शन है कंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट लर्निंग, बी जेंडर इक्वलिटी, सी क्रिटिकल पेडागॉजी, एंड डी इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन। माय डियर स्टूडेंट, बताइए इसमें से हम डी हमारा जो ऑप्शन आ रहा है, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज आल्सो करेक्ट। Inclusive education. The next question is that which among the following is a feature of child-centered language classroom? Child-centered language classroom. A. Children interacted in the target language through tasks that require multiple intelligence, and B. Children work individually to prepare projects, and C. Teacher plans assessment every day, and D. Teacher gives instruction and expects children to obey and be disciplined। तो माय डियर फ्रेंड, चलते हैं ऑप्शन हमारा कौन सा सही होगा, बताएं किस ऑप्शन की तरफ चलें। Tell me which option is correct, which among the following is the feature of child-centered language classroom। अब हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पे जो सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन हमारा आ रहा है, टीचर्स गिव्स इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड expects the children to obey and be disciplined। The next question is that which of the following will be most effective to remove conventional beliefs about gender roles। बताइए which of the following will be most effective to the remove conventional belief about gender roles, teaching all the learners to sweep, wash and sew in the craft class without any danger discrimination, B. encouraging girls to develop interest in household chores from any young age, and C. telling the girls that talking freely is not a trait of good girls, and D. showing a picture in which the mother is seen cooking and the father is seen reading and newspaper। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, अगर हम देखें तो ऑप्शन हमारा जाता है ए की तरफ जाता है, टीचिंग ऑल द लर्नर्स टू स्वीप, वॉश एंड सॉ इन द क्राफ्ट क्लास विदाउट एनी डेंजर क्रिमिनेशन। हेलो फ्रेंड, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पे। अ टीचर कैन डेवलप लिसनिंग स्किल इन इंग्लिश बाय फोकसिंग only on listening skill without associating it with other language skill. B. Making the listener listen to everything they hear passively. And C. Creating opportunities for them to listen to a variety of sources and people and engage in listening activities. And D. Speaking to them continuously both within the classroom and outside. So my dear friend, which option is goes to correct? A teacher can develop listening skill in English by, tell me which option is correct. Tell me which option is correct. The option C is goes to correct, creating opportunities for them to listen to a variety of sources and people and engage listening activities. The next question is that inquiry based learning, A. encourage quiet learners, B. does not nurture creative thinking in students, and C. allows learners to raise question, and D. does not place student in thought provoking situation. Inquiry based learning, बताइए guys, inquiry based learning, which option is goes to correct? Which option is goes to correct? C option is goes to correct, allows learners to raise question. The next question is that in large language classes group work can be accomplished by asking student to turn around for group work, B. asking all students to stand in a circle, and C. asking half the class to go out to the playground, and D. asking 4-5 students to sit together on a narrow bench despite lack of space. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? In large language classes group work can be accomplished by, group work can be accomplished by, बताइए दोस्तों. The option is A. asking student to turn around for group work. The next question is that a play can be taught by encouraging the student to stage the play after working in ground to understand the plot characters, B. asking a number of questions to test the comprehension of the students, and C. conducting a test with specific question on the story and grammar items, and D. making the students read and silently a number of times to understand. So guys, tell me, a play can be taught by, a play can be taught by, tell me. ऑप्शन ए को देखते हैं, encouraging the student to stage the play after working in grounds to understand the plot characters. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट, तो ऑप्शन हमारा इसमें ए ही सही होता, play can be taught by. Let us go to the next question is that fluency in English can be developed through the teacher talking for most of time, the teacher being alert to spot the errors and correct them, allowed students who are not confident to have the freedom to be the quiet, and D. creating opportunity to use the target language for communication. Tell me guys, which one is correct? Fluency, क्वेश्चन क्या है? Fluency in the English can be developed through. Option D is goes to correct, creating opportunities to use the target language for communication. The next question is that some noise in the language class indicates teacher's lack of control over the class, incompetence of the teacher, या constructive activities with the learners engage in language learning, and D. indiscipline of the learners. Tell me guys, some noise in the language class indicates, अगर किसी कक्षा में बच्चों द्वारा शोर हो रहा है तो इसके प्रति एक ऑप्शन आपको बताना है कौन सा सही होगा, एक ऑप्शन आपको बताना है कि कौन सा सही होगा. तो चलिए देखते हैं, इसमें जो ऑप्शन हमारा जाता है noises in the language class indicates is equals to C. Constructive activities with the learners engage in language learning. The next question is that a test to assess the potential of the student for specific abilities and skills such as music, spatial abilities or logical abilities is called an aptitude test, achievement test, and proficiency test. Tell me one is correct. Tell me which one is correct. Option A is goes to option टेस्ट के बारे में ऑप्शन ए इज गोज टू करेक्ट एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट. Next question is that effective learning takes place when students are interactive, quite good at preparing for examination, passive. The option is goes to correct A, interactive. The next question is that a class in reading a story based in a village. The teacher asks some student to mark the villagers in an outline map of their locality. Some other students are asked to collect information about the different group grow in this village. Another group work on the nutritional value of the grains, fruits and vegetables grown in the locality. Later the students exchange their work and have a class discussion relating the information with the story. What is the underlying principle of this approach? A. Making connection across discipline and bringing out the inner relatedness of knowledge, and B. Teaching language through written assessment and project, and C. Giving importance to the practical and scholastic aspect of literary pieces, and D. Treating knowledge in specific segment based on geography, science and language. The option is goes to correct A. Making connection across disciplines and bringing out the interrelatedness of knowledge. The next question is that the Right of the Children for Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 has overall development as an aim. It means nurturing both the scholastic and co-scholastic areas, coaching all the children for the academic excellence, C. Training the children for the different careers, and D. Training the children for the development of the country. बताइए guys, which one is correct? Which option is correct? Option is goes to A. Nurturing both the scholastic and co-scholastic areas. The next question is that which of the following is the best suited for the improving the speaking skill of the learners? Reading a prose and drama aloud, oral language drill, debates and group discussion followed by role play and recitation of the poetry. The option is goes to C. Debates and group discussion followed by the role play. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इसके बाद मैं तीसरी पार्ट इसका लेकर के प्रेजेंट होऊंगा. दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करें. पीएस क्लासेस की तरफ से बिल्कुल आपको फ्री में मिल रहा है इंग्लिश सी टेस्ट का टेस्ट सीरीज, तो इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों में शेयर करिएगा. एंड तक आपने वीडियो देखा है. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन.